Hello children, this is Muthulakshmi, your Maths Miss. You are going to learn Unit 1 Geometry. So in this unit, you are going to learn so many subtopics which is displayed on the screen. Children, you have learned about plane and solid shapes in previous class. Let us know, revise and consolidate the knowledge. Plane shapes are those that can be drawn on the flat surface such as paper. It has two measures, length and breadth. So it is known as two-dimensional or 2D shape. Square, rectangle, triangle, circle are the example of 2D shape. Let's see the practical example of 2D shape. Chessboard, CD and triangle biscuit. These are the practical example of 2D shape. Three D shapes. Solid shapes have three measurements, length, breadth and height. So a solid shape is also known as three dimension or 3D shape. Cube, cuboid, sphere, cone, cylinder, these are the example of 3D shape. Practical example of 3D shape. Let's see brick, example for cuboid, dice, example for cube, ball, example for sphere, ice cream, example for cone, drum, example for cylinder. Properties of 3D shapes. First shape is cube. Solid shape have faces, edges and vertices. Cube has 8 vertices. Vertices is nothing but corners. It has 6 faces. What is face? Flat surface is called a face. It has 12 edges. What is edges? The line where two faces meet is called an edge. So it is a 3D shape. It has 6 faces. All the sides are equal. It has 8 vertices and 12 edges. Next shape is cuboid. Cuboid has 8 vertices, 6 faces and 12 edges. So look at these examples. This object is a shape of cuboid. So it is a 3D shape. It has 6 faces. Its opposite sides are equal. It has 8 vertices and 12 edges. So CPU is an example for cuboid and fish tank is also an example for cuboid. Next shape is cylinder. A cylinder has no vertices. It has two curved edges and three faces. One face of the cylinder is a curved face. Top and bottom is a flat face. Look at these example. This object is a shape of cylinder. Sphere has one curved face. It has no vertex, no edge. It has a center point called O. O is center point. Distance between OA is called radius. Children, now take a look at object shown here. Each one of this object is a shape of sphere. Cone. Cone has one vertex and it has one curved edge. It has two faces, one curved face and one flat face. The distance from the top of the cone to the center of the base is called as height. The distance from the apex to any point lying on the circumference of the base is called as slant height. Children, look at these familiar objects. All these objects are in the shape of a cone. Next video going to see the view, rotations, reflections and the geometry. Thank you children.